Good morning, y'all. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. I went to sleep mad late, first of all. I didn't go to sleep until like 4 in the morning, knowing that I have a lash appointment today at 9 o'clock. And then straight after the lash appointment, I'm going to the nail salon. And then straight after the nail salon, I'm going to the dollar store. Straight after the dollar store, I'm going to the beauty supply store. I don't have a wig on, by the way. So that's also something else. Technically, I leave on Wednesday. I have to be at the airport Tuesday night because on Wednesday my flight is at like 2 o'clock in the morning. So I have to get everything done by today. But wish me luck, and I'm gonna just take you guys with me. I bought this razor from the beauty supply store for $1, and I like to just do my eyebrows before I go on vacation. Because daily maintenance, not daily, but pre-maintenance for the vacation. I want my eyebrows to look good. I don't want to be miserable because my eyebrows look bad. I don't know if you get it, but I'm just shaving off the hair and just sharpening them up and making sure they look nice and clean. Next, we're getting our lashes done. This is my first time going to this girl, and she did a fantastic job. Y'all, this set, I still dream about this set to this day. Like, she was the best. She was fast. My eyes didn't burn after. They didn't irritate. They look like strips. Look at my eyes. I don't know. Usually I only do my lashes when I go on vacation, but like she just made me want to continue going to her just because. But anyway, now I'm at the nail salon. I go to Nail Peak Salon. It's on Broadway and Bushwick. This part is so... I was showing off for the video. I'm not gonna lie. I definitely was. My knee wanted to jump. I wanted to kick her in her face. It tickles and I hate it. That's like the worst part of getting my toes done. And I get my toes white because, I don't know. People like to call me basic because I get my toes white. Like, why don't you get your toes white? Like, my fault. You want to have blue nails or red nails or green nails. I want white nails. It's just, if it's basic, then so be it. I either do white or like a blush pink, but white has been my go-to lately. And I don't know, this was like a nice little reset for me because I don't usually do my nails unless it's like a special occasion. So I like to be able to go and do my nails. And yes, I get the gel. I do not have time to be sitting around waiting. No. And then for my nails, I got white on my nails also. Y'all gonna see it's gonna look like chiclets, but don't study it, not too much. So I just got home. My lashes were already done, but I got them done a week ago, and she said that if anything fell out between that week and the day before I go on vacation, then to hit her up. That was really nice of her because she really didn't have to do that, so I gave her a little tippy tip or whatever. So I got me a fake little fill-in, and she refilled my bottom lashes, and then I went to the nail salon. Y'all know I got me some white. I got them a little bit longer this time. I don't ever usually get them like this. Like, you wouldn't be able to see them on this side. But I was like, you know what? Let me try something different. I need to eat. It's in the afternoon. I think it's like 12:30. Okay. This wig is not the wig that I'm wearing on vacation. The wig I'm wearing is one of these two. I don't remember. The one that I opened already. Okay, so it's this one. And this hair is fire. Like, I tried it on, and I'm so excited. I have to put on another wig that I want to do before I go on this vacation. This company hit me up, this Amazon company, and was like, hey, can you do a TikTok video for me? I'm like, okay, I got you. I should have did it last night, but I was too tired because I was watching BMF till 4 o'clock in the morning. Also, like good old Naya fashion, we are not packed. I literally packed the day before, but today is the day before, so I really have to pack today. The thing is, we have mad windows in here, but I still sometimes feel like it doesn't get bright enough. Like, I feel like instead of windows here and here, I need windows on the side. But there's buildings on the sides of us, so would I really get sunlight like that? Probably not. She just be on my heels, I'm telling y'all. But I think I'm gonna make some tuna because I'm starving. I'm so hungry. Oh, I can't reach it. Okay, so I should make two or three. I'm gonna make 2. Put the rest back. Or should I just heat up some Alfredo that I have in the fridge? Oh, I have leftover food. My job had an Easter party. I ate all the chicken and I left the chicken bones. Fiending. Watch my dog can eat chicken bones so I can give this to her. Oh, but I'm gonna eat this instead. I'm hungry. My job had a little Easter party. Not an Easter party, but like they just be cooking during the holidays. I had some macaroni, yams, Carolina Gold, barbecue chicken. Delicious. And honestly, the only reason why I'm so late to the BMF wave was because, so I saw the first however many seasons it was, but when this new season came out, everybody was talking about it. And then people would talk about it before I even got the chance to watch it. And it really was making me angry. So I was like, I'm gonna just wait to watch it when everyone's done talking about it, because I don't want to see it. Like, I can read a spoiler, but like, what are the chances that I'm gonna remember, you know? But I'm on the last episode. But y'all, if y'all watch BMF, why Carisha was in there? Oh, my baby father, you killed my baby father. Girl, I could have been in BMF. I could have been in BMF. And why Lamar killed that lady? Why did he? Y'all, I have so many questions. But see, I'm on the last episode. I'm gonna eat my food, and then I'm gonna really do what I gotta do. Y'all, I ended up taking a whole nap, but I wanted to show y'all. We got some garlic butter broccoli, and then we got some yams that I'm, of course, gonna eat with the mac. And then some chicken. Period. Also, I still didn't pack. That box is a box of clothes that I'm taking. So, like, I'm fake packed. Like, I already know what I'm bringing. So yeah, I'm trying on some potential vacation clothes, right? This is giving. Not too much on my ashy legs, but yeah. Yeah. This another one. This is very much giving highlighter. This is cute. I like this one because it's mad bright. Like, this is giving vacation. Period. This is the bathing suit. And it's giving. Hold on, y'all. Piece of tattoo. Yeah. Period. Yeah. Got a little slit action. A little backless action. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah. Honestly, green and orange. So, right now I am installing the wig from Amazon. And I just used some spray because I really just want to pull it off when I'm done. I'm just going to do this TikTok. Get my little coins real quick. And then put on the wig that I actually am going to wear for my vacation. I'm not packed still. But I have faith. That's all you need is some faith. Because it's going to get done. When? I don't know why I procrastinate so bad. Boom, one side is done. Also, I didn't even bleach the knots. Like, this is a good wig. Well, the parting is dark as hell, but I'm gonna just put some makeup over it. Watch, let me show you exactly what I mean. See, I see what's going on. That's what you have to do. I'm about to go in with this right here. And this. And then that's about to be that. So this is my vacation wig. This is the piece de resistance or whatever they say. I glued it down with Ghost Bond. I also did a video comparing and contrasting Ghost Bond glue versus a waterproof glue. So go check that video out. It'll be up soon. I tacked the wig down because this wig is staying warm. I had to be at the airport in 2 hours and I was in a good mood since my hair was done and I was packed. So my friends came over and we had a good time. Wait, I got one for everybody. Side to side. I gotta get my other one. You have more. Why do you have more? I got another one. When you jump, his hands up.
Thank you. Thank you. I'll be here all week.
1, 2, 3.
Yay!